Presenting NoiseBuds VS303 Truly Wireless Earbuds. It comes in two color variants of jet black and space blue. Inside the box, you will find the one Bluetooth headphone, one charging case, one charging cable, one user manual, and one warranty registration card. The dimensions of the product are 6.2 centimeters by 6.2 centimeters by 3.4 centimeters, and it weighs 42.8 grams. It is a lightweight earphone with in-ear design and with zero requirement of batteries, operated via touch control. It is a wireless earbud. Enjoy enhanced sound experience every time you play via the 13mm speaker driver. Can be easily used Android and iOS systems. It has Bluetooth version V5.0 for better connectivity. It offers a playtime of up to 6 hours on a single charge and an additional 18 hours, making a total playtime of up to 24 hours with the charging case. Manage calls, control volume, activate Siri or Google Assistant from the earbuds itself. It has inbuilt mic for voice control. Connection made easy with the HyperSync technology that ensures instant pairing on just opening the charging case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.